How to change your phone number in WhatsApp. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. If you want to change your phone number in WhatsApp, here is how you can do it. First and foremost, head over to your WhatsApp application. Once you have launched WhatsApp, tap on the settings or three dots which is on the top right corner and go to settings. Scroll down a bit and then find the option of accounts. After you tap on accounts, you'll see different options. Tap on change number. Once you tap on change number, you will land to this page. Changing your phone number will migrate your account information into another. So tap on next. Enter your old phone number with country code and then your new phone number with the country code. Now tap on next and you'll have to verify the numbers. It will send verification codes to both of your numbers and then you will have to enter the verification codes as prompted. And once verified, your WhatsApp number will be updated to a new one. So that's all for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you and keep watching.